A very happy day, friends. Welcome back to my channel Tarot Vibes, and today I bring you a April month reading. So we'll start with sunshine wise, and we go with the first sunshine, Aries. And those who are new and watching for the first time, you can just scroll to your sunshine with some questions in your mind. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can always think of those questions and move to your sunshine and see what the answer is. And it can also, if you don't have a question, it can also mean that this month, whatever this month brings for you is there. So we will start with the first sunshine, Aries. So this is the month of Aries as well. So for all the Aries, here we go. So for the Aries, something a big change is ahead in this month. So you will have a very big change coming. Change in the sense something big and major is ending in your life, but the good part of the ending is there is something new also coming with it. So if something major is ending, something is going bad and wrong in your life, I guess you should not feel very bad about it, because there is something new coming. So I guess you should happily wait for the new thing to arrive than the one which is gone. And your affirmation card for this month is, I honor how I want to feel. So whatever you want to feel, you can feel. Honor your feelings. Understand what you have to feel, or just go by your feeling. Go with the flow. That will help you more. So your affirmation, what you have to tell this month is, I honor how I want to feel. So honor your feelings. So that's what is your affirmation. You can tell this affirmation throughout the month whenever you feel like. So that is, I honor how I want to feel. The next sunshine is Taurus. So people in Taurus, this month you might have something to feel sad about, or something where you feel like you just have to let go of things and you don't want things anymore in your life, or somewhere kind of depression or something sad is going to happen in your life or is happening in your life. I'd ask you to just stop for a while, take your time, breathe for yourself, and think what happy is happening around you instead of what has gone wrong. So that will help you. And here is your affirmation card. Your affirmation card says, when I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. So this is your affirmation. So throughout the month, you can just tell yourself that if you lean on your certainty and faith, you change your mind about the world you see. So whatever world you see is how you have faith in yourself, or how you lean on the certainty. So whatever is happening is certain that it will happen, and have faith, things will also change. So your affirmation is, when I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. So this is for affirmation this month for Taurus. The next sunshine is Gemini. So people in Gemini, you would feel to let go of things, to leave off things, and just need your own free space and time. So take your space and time, do some good meditation that will help you to connect to your spiritual self, and loads of spirituality coming in this month for you. So I would suggest you to do some good meditations which is going to help you, or do something which brings peace to your mind. And here is your affirmation card which says, through prayers and meditation, I create a ripple effect of peace in the world. So even your affirmation card relates to the main card of yours, which says, through prayers and meditation, I create a ripple effect of peace in the world. So please do pray, meditate. So whenever you feel low or not feel good, do tell your affirmation to yourself that you need to pray, you need to meditate, and create that ripple effect in the world for the peace. So that was for Gemini. Next is for Cancer. So people with sunshine as Cancer, some big change is going to come in your life. A very major change is upcoming in your life, and it's a good change. Your times are changing, so a change is a good change coming up, and it's a yes card. So whatever your question is. And your affirmation says, my capacity to tune into the energy of love gives me the words I need when I'm ready to speak up, the compassion I need when it's time to forgive, and the power I need when I'm lost. So this month you need to tell is you have energy to love, energy of love to give words, you have compassion, you have power. So tell yourself you have that energy, you have that compassion, that power to love, to forgive, to move on. So that's what is your card for the month. Affirmation card, Cancer. That was for Sunshine Cancer. Next is for Leo. So people with Sunshine as Leo, you will be stressed this month, though there is not much a need of stress, but you'll be blindly worried thinking what will happen. But there is result for it. You don't need to so much stress yourself or worry yourself. A good emotional flow is happening, but you're not able to handle it because you're being too practical or too worried of something else. So go with your emotions, things will sort on its own. Your affirmation card says, I choose love no matter what. So I would always suggest, as I said, your emotions are going good. Your emotional flow for the month is really good. So please choose love no matter what. So that was your card. Next card for Virgo. So people in Virgo, your card says, okay, you did be having a little financial issues. Not that you will be suffering with something where you don't have finance. You have ample of money, or you have good money with you, but still you did be worried of holding it or saving it or spending it somewhere. You'll be bothered with the financial issues, but which are solved or solvable, or there's nothing for you to worry, but just that sometimes some thoughts keep recurring in your mind, something like that. So your affirmation for the month is, obstacles are detours in the right direction. So obstacles are detours in the right direction. So whatever obstacle you have, sometimes when you stop for the obstacle, you just notice that you're not on the right path and you need to choose your right path. So might be obstacles are showing you some right direction. So if you get some obstacle this month, just know that it's showing you right direction. So that was for Leo, Virgo. So we finished with Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo and Taurus. Virgo, sorry. The next one is for Libra. So people in Libra, this month, if you're waiting for any legal issues, judgment, it's going to be in your favor. Any judgments you're waiting for, or anywhere where you feel you should have been given the importance, or you should have been asked for before making decision, might be this is the month where people are going to ask you for it, or this is a month where you get some decisions in your own favor, or somewhere for answer which you're waiting, this is the month you will get it. So your affirmation card says, happiness is my birthright. So when you have it like in you to tell that happiness is your birthright, then I guess nothing can stop you from being happy. So your affirmation is, happiness is my birthright. So that is for Libra. The next card is for Scorpions. So people with the Sunshine as Scorpion, this month you might start something new which is going to bring you financial gains. So if you have any business plans, or if you have any plans which relates to money, so there is a good income flow or a new business going to start this month. That's what your card says. So there's new source of income coming in your life. The affirmation card for you is, I'm unapologetic, unapologetic about what I desire, and trust that what I focus on will grow. So basically you need to trust yourself that where your focus is, that thing is going to grow. So focus well and things will be yours. So I'm unapologetic about what I desire. So you don't need to be sorry for whatever you desire, and trust that what you focus on will grow. So focus on the right direction, have your focus on the right thing, and it will grow. So that was the card for Scorpius. And next is Sagittarius. So people from Sagittarius, again you have a new idea in your mind, or something, some plans in your mind which you want to implement. I would suggest, yes, please implement that plan. It's going to fulfill of whatever you thought of with that plan. So might be a new plan to travel, new plan for a new business, or a new idea in to bring a relationship spark or something, some new thing going on in your mind is going to help you further. So whatever that positive idea is, please go ahead, it's going to help you more. Your affirmation is, I always trust the direction of the universe and know I am being guided. So please trust the direction the universe is showing you, and you are being guided by the supreme power. So I'd ask you to please go ahead with that idea. So your affirmation is, I always trust the direction of the universe and know I am being guided. So that was for Sagittarius. Next is for Capricorn. So people in Capricorn, something new is going to start in your life. If you're planning for some new business to start, please check the do and don'ts, do your research properly, and then go ahead, because something new in your life is going to happen in this month, and I would ask you to be a little cautious before starting it. Just know what is right and what's wrong in it, and then move ahead with the same thing. And your affirmation is, when I am in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disturbed. So your affirmation is, when I am in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disturbed. So no one can disturb your peace until you are aligned with the supreme power. So I suggest you to stay peaceful and happy as you are, and do your research before you step into something new. Excuse. So that was for Capricorns. Next is for Aquarius. So people with the sunshine as Aquarius, somewhere some legal issues are going to get sorted. Something to do with justice is going to be served. Somewhere, if you think there's injustice happening in your life, this is the month where justice will happen to you, where something which went wrong with yourself, or you think someone did wrong to you, is going to be corrected in this month. The affirmation card for you is, I choose to learn through love. So your affirmation card is, I choose to learn through love. So you choose to learn through love. So I guess you shouldn't hate people or be angry with anybody. You need to be enough happy and learn things through love. So that was your affirmation, Aquarius. Last one is Pisces. So people with the sunshine, Pisces. Here is a card for you which says, you'll be abundantly blessed this month. Whatever you desired for or whatever you wished for will be blessed. And chances of pregnancy or chances of childbirth, if you're a lady, or if you're into a relationship, or if you're married, so childbirth is possible, or pregnancy is possible, or something related to children's is going to happen this month to you. I surrender to the power greater than me is your affirmation card. So please surrender yourself and tell God that I leave it up to you. Do whatever you do with my life, do the best. So that's what your card says. I surrender to the power greater than me. So these are the cards for all sunshine in this month. And this month I've done a card reading plus an affirmation card. So affirmation cards are cards where you can repeat that to yourself throughout the month. So whatever the line which I read for you, you can just not the whole thing, then might be a few sentences or a few words in it. You can just hold and tell yourself whenever you feel low or whenever you feel things aren't turning right. Just tell yourself, affirm yourself that things are going to happen the way it is. So that will help you more. So this is the card reading for month of April, and I hope you like the reading. I hope it resonates with you, and have a really nice and a happy month ahead. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section if this is resonating with you, or if you like the video, or what kind of video are you waiting for. So thank you. Have a happy day.